Good afternoon, friends and viewers. Today's topic is about duty and responsibility. In this world, every person has been given responsibility and duties. If you do all duty and responsibility accordingly, there is no problem in this world because duties to perform timely. God has entrusted some duties for parents and teachers, every person, but some are ignorant, that are not taking care of that. If you do your duty, if I do my duty properly, there is no problem in this world. What's the problem we are facing? Because we don't care about our responsibilities and duties. No punctuality. In government office, there is a time, say 9 to 5. How many employees are keeping punctuality? They come at any time. Instead of 9 o'clock, they come at 11:30 or 11 o'clock. After that, they do a 5-10 minutes clerical job, then go to the office canteen and sitting and chit-chatting with unnecessary subjects. Are they like to take the payment? They are not able to take 1 rupee as payment every month because they are not doing any response and doing any duty. Just keeping the attendance book, they go to the canteen and gossiping and talk about something against other person. But monthly they are collecting huge salary. What responsibility they are, what duty they are doing? Are they conscious of their duty? No. This is the reason still India is still on backside, no further improvement. What improvement we got after independence? Only a few states improved because responsibility not taking. How many are working 8 hours in the office? Many people during office hours, they are going out 11 o'clock for a cup of tea and spending around 1 hour in the nearest hotel or tea restaurant. They return anytime. Some are keeping attendance and go home. This is what is happening in India. So every person should be responsible what I am doing. The management or government entrusted me some duty. I should follow this. I should punctual. I should not accept bribe. Person should be against corruption. Then only we can expect a better world. Duties entrusted by God for parents. Parents not well give good education, brought up their children. They are not real parents. Children are the budding flowers of the nation. So parents should take more care, responsibility, caring and about their children without stepping to negative side. Because today's children are tomorrow's budding flower. They may be the leaders of our country. So every teachers and parents are entrusted some duties. They should follow and do that duty without any obstacles. But many are lazy towards the responsibility. Whatever you want to do it today. Don't postpone next week or next month. A responsible person is an asset of the country. A dutiful person is a more value in our country. Our country's development based upon more responsible people, more hardworking people we want, more people with the patriotism. They should love their own country. Then only he can be responsible person. So they are not taking care of. Who is taking care of? Your duty you should do. You should be conscious. What is my duty? Understood by the management or by the government. So every person, women and men, cooperate and do their duty we can make our country the greatest or developed country without any problem. So I request all people, do your duty well, be punctual, don't waste any duty time for gossiping or time pass. Whatever you want to discuss after 8 hours, you talk to your club or to your home. Many people enjoying talking about cinema program, what they have seen the other day. I have seen a movie, it's a fantastic and wonderful movie. They are discussing about the movie and hero and heroes. Is it the place to discuss about movies and other politics subject? No. A responsible person, a patriotic person never waste any time in the office. So let us unite, take a decision. Tomorrow onwards, let us be careful and conscious about our duty and responsibility towards our nation for the great progress of our country. Have a nice day.